Guys, in this video, we will be learning joining NumPy array in Python. I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. These all functions are used to join multiple arrays, right? Before getting started with any of the implementation, you have to first install NumPy library on your computer. To install NumPy, you have to open command prompt on your physical location of the project, or you open terminal from here and type in one command pip install NumPy. Once a NumPy is installed on your computer, you can use NumPy library in your Python code. Now let's get started with our tutorial. What is joining in a NumPy array? Joining means putting contents of two or more arrays in a single array. Okay. NumPy provides us various functions as you can see here, which help us joining the arrays. Okay. Now let's see what is concatenate function. We pass a sequence of array that we want to join to the concatenate function along with the axis, right? If axis is not explicitly passed, it is taken as 0, right? First, we will try to join two arrays with help of concatenate function, and we will see axis parameter. We have to import NumPy library. We'll be creating two NumPy arrays to join. Then we'll be creating a result. np.concatenate function we'll be using. It accepts the arrays, the tuple array. We have to pass on array 1 and then array 2. Okay, we'll be printing the type of this array. Let's in the program, you can see the type which is returned, that is indeed array. As you can see, all elements are printed from left to right in a single dimensional array. If you want to join one more array, array 3, run the program again, you will get all your elements from three arrays, right? So this is how joining works with concatenate function. You can pass on n number of arrays. If you want to get the axis of your arrays, then you can pass on axis equals to 1 in this concatenate function. Let's see, we'll be creating new arrays which would be two-dimensional array, and we'll be try to use the same code but with a new argument, right? And axis we have to pass on as 1, right? If you're in the program again, so you will get your axis also with the array, right? 1 2 5 6, right? So these elements are taken as a 0 column, that is one column. This is a single row, right? So that is how axis works. If you make it 0, by default its value is 0, then your whole array would be flattened. You see, in a single row you could see all your elements. Okay, now let's see what stack function means. We can concatenate two one-dimensional array along the second axis, which would result in putting them one over the other, right? That is stacking, right? So it will work with basic principle of stacking. Okay, so let me take array 1 and array 2. Okay, then we'll be taking result 4 this time, np.stack function, right? Array 1 will be passing array 2. Okay, and we will be using axis equals to 1. Okay, print result 4. If you're in the program again, so you will get your all element 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 7 8. That would be in the stack form, right? 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8, right? Because axis is 1. You see, 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8, right? It took this stack 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8. 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8. This is two-dimensional array, right? If you make it 0, then your stack would be something 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? It is a default pattern. Okay, so this is how stack works. Now let's see what is HSTACK function. So NumPy provides a helper function HSTACK to stack along rows, right? To stack along rows. Okay, so if you use array 1 or array 2 with HSTACK, so you will see the difference. Now result 5 and then HSTACK, and we'll be using these array 1 and array 2 same, right? Result 5 will be using, let's in the program. So you will see all your elements are stacked along rows, right? If you see the documentation, So you will see stack arrays in sequence horizontally, right? This is column wise. Okay. So this is how it is working. If you want to use VSTACK, so VSTACK is opposite. So it will stack your all arrays along columns, right? How it works? Let me take another result. 6 and then 6, and we'll be using VSTACK. Okay. That's in the program. So you will see. So your both arrays are into vertical, right? In HSTACK, it was horizontal, but now VSTACK is vertical. So we take array 3 also here, array 3, and then run it. So you will see, so your all ND arrays are taken as vertical, okay, in the stack, okay. Whereas H stack would be growing from left to right, right? Array 3, if we pass here, if you're in the program, so you will see your stack is getting increased from left to right, right? You see 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12, right? All elements are in single dimensional array from left to right. So this is the difference between HSTACK and VSTACK, okay? We have another method that is DSTACK. So NumPy provides a helper function DSTACK to stack along height, right? Which is the same as depth. It means it will take your all arrays in depths, right? If you take another new variable 7 and then you will use DSTACK and array 1 2, okay, array 7, run the program. So you will see it took the depth itself, right? We don't know, right? It decide itself, right? It is three dimensional. If you want to see which dimension of it is and dim, you can use to get the dimension of this array. So you will get it's a three-dimension array, okay, right? If you see the documentation, it says stack arrays in sequence depth wise along third axis, okay. It is a third axis. So we have seen joining numpy arrays. We have seen concatenate function, stack, hstack, vstack, dstack, okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.